Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard. Today is day 5 and today we are going to Alberobello, the city of the Trulli again, because we really liked it, and probably this afternoon we're gonna go to Polignano, which is again a city that we really liked. So stay with us and stay tuned. And today is much better, there is no wind, there is the sun and less tourists, like it's almost empty, I would say. And you know what that means?
We want to go to Martinucci for the third time. Also this. I want another pasticciotto with chocolate.
And also I want the same plus drones.
Ah, okay. I want pasticciotto and
La lira, la lira. And just like that, we got pasticciotti again with almond milk, of course. We got the new one with custard and blueberry. Then we got the ricotta one, ricotta cheese, Nutella.
And the chocolate.
This is also chocolate, and this one is with 4 cereals and what was that? Okay, custard. Wow. And we are back on the rooftop, because today is a good day, sunny day, no wind. It's amazing. Big day today. I managed to fly good today, finally, without the wind, without anything. I was really precise. The Mavic behaved really well today. The Dysons behaved really well today, and I'm so happy.
I'm so happy for the focaccia in arrive.
Oh, we are about to eat focaccia, of course, because this is eat, fly, eat, fly, eat, sleep, repeat. And we also got some souvenirs, of course. And this is the place we were supposed to go at, but what do you think about this?
Oh, I cry.
It's pretty sad.
But now we're looking for another place.
Yeah. Now we are in the parking lot. And bye bye Alberobello. We're going home.
Yeah.
Oh.
But after we visit for another time Polignano Mare.
Yeah, Polignano was amazing, and there is the amazing
Lama Monachile.
panini with
okay.
octopus.
Yeah, and also panini with tartar.
And now we are back in the Trullo. We ate lunch, pizza with some fried shrimps, and now I'm gonna lay a bit on this. I'm gonna lay a bit there, and I have this lot of ice cream. I mean, it is half And here we are again. We rested a bit because we were tired and we still are tired. And now we're going to Polignano, and it actually rained while we were inside. And I forgot my windows in the car open, so it rained on my seat. Yeah, that's fantastic. And I see some light coming from the sky, so I hope the rain is over and there is some sun in Polignano, because I want to take one last amazing shot. And she's hiding behind the door. Oh, here she is. Where are we going?
To Pescaria and to Martinucci for the last time. Hi guys, we are sad because tomorrow we leave Puglia, and we spend here 5 beautiful days, and maybe we will return.
And we are back to Polignano, finally. The weather is much better than last time, and I hope I can fly today and take some good photos. We gotta hurry because the sun is setting. So, you see this smile? I just flew with both the Mavic and the Fpv Dison Mini, the 95 this time. Flew over there. I don't know if it came out good. Like last time there was more wind, but I was also more ballsy, I would say, with the 3-inch. But still, I hope I made a nice video. It was a bit risky, and just when I was landing, the police was in front of the actual drone, like 1 meter. So we freaked out a bit, but Maluba.
Sorry,
And like she doesn't bother anymore. Like she doesn't want to hear about FPV.
I want only
She just wants to eat. She doesn't give a damn about the FPV drone. And we're back here. 3 days and we're back. And we gotta eat. We gotta wear these masks. And we are back.
in Pescaria.
And I just got the panini with octopus. Look at this beauty.
Wow.
With a fried octopus. This is amazing. Look at this octopus hamburger with carbonara, bacon, mozzarella, everything. It's amazing. And this is one of the best panini I ever tasted in my life. If you come to Milano, you should definitely check out Pescaria. That's the name of the place. Incredible panini.
A voi si vede. Falla giù al riflesso dell'acqua. Sto facendo un video.